If you're looking for a quick and healthy way to make potato wedges, you've come to the right place. These potato wedges are simple to make and the ideal healthy side dish for those busy weeknights or meal prepping throughout the week. It doesn't require that many ingredients to make, and they're still packed with flavor thanks to our seasoning blend and Parmesan cheese. Here's how to make them. Start with your cutting board and place your potato on top of it. Cut your potato in half lengthwise. Then cut one of the halves into half lengthwise again. You should have a good size for your potato wedge here, but if necessary, you can cut it in half one more time. Once you're done cutting all of your potatoes, place them in a colander. Rinse your potatoes in cold running water, then pat them dry with a paper towel. Take out a large bowl or a large plastic bag and place your potato wedges in the bowl or in the bag. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil on top. For our seasonings, we're using 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Add half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Carefully mix everything together until everything is fully coated. It's easier if you use a large plastic bag. Preheat your air fryer on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Spray your air fryer basket with oil, then place your potato wedges in the basket. Do the best that you can to leave enough room in between each piece. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After it's halfway done cooking, remove your air fryer basket and shake it a couple of times. Then return it to the air fryer and let it finish cooking for the remaining time. After they're done cooking, remove them from the air fryer and then repeat the cooking process for your remaining batches of potato wedges. And you're set to serve your healthy potato wedges. Pair these with your favorite dipping sauce and main dish, such as a turkey burger. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days in the refrigerator. If you want to make a smaller portion, you can divide the ingredient amounts in this recipe by 2. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.